Alright, so the VVT solenoids, they're actually really easy to get to. Just remove this part of the air box right here. And then they're tucked away. There's one on the back side here of the front bank. And then your rear one, I don't know if you can see it. It's right down there. So they're both right next to each other, essentially, just buried behind these fuel line and some of the coolant lines to the heater core, it looks like. But they're both right there. Just move this little box and that's all you need to get to. Here's one of the old ones I took out. And here's some I'm going to be replacing them with. In much better condition. We'll see how it goes. Keep you all posted with what codes come up afterwards. I'm going to drive it for a little while and see what misfires are, if they're the same codes or anything new. I'll let you all know.